It is quite common that we need to select multiple faces and that these faces will be reused. A good way to enhance this workflow is to use selection sets. To demonstrate this, I will use this container where I will apply a pressure to all internal faces and then reuse them for post-processing. To make it easier to select the internal faces, I'll use a section view. Then I'll right-click in one of the curved areas and use Select Tangency to pick them all. By holding Ctrl, I can select the bottom face too. Right-clicking and selecting Save Selection allows me to create a new selection set. So now I have a selection set appear in my feature tree and I can rename this to internal faces. Then I'll flip the section view to select internal faces in the lid. Using D on my keyboard brings the confirmation corner to my cursor. Again, I am using Select Tangency, but this time I hold Ctrl down and click the face I don't want to include to be selected. Then I'll right click again and go to Save Selection. I can now select the one I created earlier to add these faces to it. If I remove the sectioning and click the selection set, I can see that all faces are included. And then I can go to the study I have started to set up and use this selection set for post and pre-processing. So here I have already defined the connections, paths and fixture. I'll apply a pressure load by right-clicking Loads and select Pressure. So now I can expand the flyout tree and under Selection Sets, I can easily pick the one I created earlier and all the faces are included in the pressure definition. So I'd already defined the mesh, so here I'm just going to need to run this study. And now that I have results, I can create a new stress plot. And here I'll go under Advanced Options to show plot only on selected entities. Then again I will use the selection set to only plot on the inside faces.